Ask which of the following is the graph shown. So as you can see, that is a polynomial function because it's smooth and continuous. It's a polynomial graph. And if you have a polynomial fs equal to, if you factor it, x plus maybe k raised to power m, k1 raised to power m1, s plus k2 raised to power m2, till maybe any, okay, let's just use 3, k3 raised to power m3. So if you have a polynomial factored this way, it touches the x-axis if m is even. So it will touch the x-axis if m is even, or crosses s-axis if m is odd. So it will cross if it's odd, and both of them crosses or touches at x equal to minus k, whether k1, k2, that's equating this to 0. So let's use that knowledge here. Looking at this, we see that at the x-axis they crosses, so meaning that the power, all their powers must be odd. Yes. So what are we trying to say? That this is off, this one is off, because we have power of 2 even. So any other one, no. So we are done. We've eliminated D. Again, remember, this must be 2, 1. So okay, look at this. If you equate this to 0, we'll get to, okay, it's okay. If we equate this, we get minus 2. Is there roots, any root of 0 that is minus 2? No. So this one is off, because this is not a factor, x plus 2. If you equate it to 0, you get minus 2, but none is minus 2 here. So coming to this, remaining 2. How do you know which one? So we use the next option, which is the y-intercept. Are you seeing y equal to, this is the y-intercept, meaning x is 0. So what do we do now? We substitute the value of x to be 0 to know whether we'll get minus 2. So using y-intercept, so the next thing is to use y-intercept, meaning x is 0. So let's substitute x is as 0 in all the remaining one to know whether we'll get minus 2. So if we substitute this 0, 0, 0, so I have minus 1 times 1 is minus 1. Minus 1 times 2 is minus 2. Minus 2 times the minus outside, we have plus 2. So this is off. We got plus 2. So, but if you substitute, I have minus 1 times 1 is minus 1. Minus 1 times 2 is minus 2. So this is the only answer. So that's it. We'll first check the multiplicity. That's the power, the factored power, the power of the factored linear factor. We first look out for the power, whether it's even or odd, to know whether it will cross or touch. And we now use our intercept, y-intercept. Remember, it seems what we used here is even x and y-intercept, because at this point y is also 0. So the major thing in graphing is x and y-intercept. So that's it for thank you.